Being an entrepreneur allows one of the greatest freedom you would ever feel. I've started my firm 25 years ago, and to be honest with you, being an entrepreneur have allowed me to travel, have allowed me to be very successful. Thanks to the thousands of clients over the years that have helped us to grow, and we are so grateful with the gratitude. And today we want to talk about how we can help you, sincerely help you. It's not just about the money. So I want to give you two scenarios. Driving from Florida to California. So the first drive from Florida to California, you're going to be using an old, outdated map. So you're going to start your journey. It was usually take about 5 days. You're going to stop into rest spot. You're going to look along the way. You're going to recomposition yourself. You're going to look for reckoning beacon, landmarks. All that is going to take time, distract you. Are you going to really enjoy that trip? Probably not. Well, let's talk about the GPS, the new technology. So now you're going to use a GPS. The GPS is going to allow you to listen to some soft music, relax. Remember now, you're an entrepreneur. You're growing your business. You need all the time in the world to clear your head. So the GPS is going to allow that. So now, both destinations will take you there, but the GPS will take you there in a more comfortable way, in a way that you feel more assured. So here is the analogy. So your business, you take your shoebox of receipts at the end of the year to a tax preparer. And the next business, you take your shoebox throughout the year. You send information to your CPA, certified public accountant, and the other one, you just bring everything and you give it to them at the end of the year. They plug it into a system, they give you your tax return. So the other one, throughout the year, they're giving you consultation, they're advising you on tax strategies, they're telling you how your business can benefit down the road. Now, wouldn't you prefer to have a consultation, someone that is guiding your business for success and growth versus somebody just spit out a return and give it to you? Second, as your business grow, you're going to want to get a loan. So the bank is going to say to you, we want to see 3 years of financial statement, 3 years of tax return. And those bank auditors have been doing this for years. They're going to look at your financial statement, the one that you had done on the side of the street, and they're going to say to you, these financial statements don't stand up. We cannot give you a loan. Now, imagine a firm that has 5 or 6 CPAs, have a team of back office support that you can reach 24/7, no obstructions. McKenzie Forensic Tax Auditors can definitely assist your business. We want to see you grow. Not everybody is cut out for the 9 to 5 grind, but respect to those people that can do it. But I'm telling you that we have been successful because we use the right roadmap. We use the GPS. So if you want your business to continue to thrive and also grow, you need to rely on professional that has the knowledge. Interesting enough, intelligent people should make intelligent decisions. But what if the intelligent person or person do not have the knowledge that this information is out there? The input data determines the output data. So we are going to be that computer that's going to churn the right information from your business, guide you along the way throughout the year. You're not going to need to bring us a shoebox at the end of the year. We're going to send you an e-file, or you just make minor adjustments on your tax return. We don't want you in the hands of the IRS because you failed to file your tax returns properly. Not only that, you failed to take strategic deductions. We want you to be running your business, take the stress away from tax returns, have an advisor as opposed to a tax preparer. McKenzie Tax Accountants want to help you. Please go to our website and learn more about us. Actually, send us an email or call us We would take 15 to 20 minutes out of our time, look at your prior return, and advise you whether it was done properly or whether we think that we can do it better. If you don't use us, make sure you use a qualified firm anywhere that can help you to succeed and your business can grow properly. Remember the concept. Do you want to drive to California from Florida using an old, outdated map, or you want to use that GPS? Nathaniel McKenzie at McKenzie Tax Accountant.